Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. That's my Keurig in the background heating up. I also brought in a couple of bins from the garage of more Christmas stuff. Hey bud. So I don't know what is in each bin. I think this one, I see the styrofoam in there, has my big silver deer. I'm gonna get my deer out. And I'm looking for stuff for my mantle and my stockings. I also have 3 more bins out there, which I think after Christmas, I need to go through and maybe get rid of some, condense some. I don't think this is gonna be a very fruitful bag. My mom got me these 2 deer years ago, and I love them. They are one of my favorite little Christmas decor. So I don't know where I'll put them. I think I put them by the tree last time. I thought about putting them up on the table, but then I have my advent calendars there. I don't know, but I love them. The other one stands. Hello, baby. Yes. Hello. Okay, that's rude. Oh, I have on penguin socks. No. Ow! Rude. I will not tolerate rudeness. Any True Blood fans know what that is? And then I have all my hippopotamus for Christmas. I've got like silly stuff in here. This pillow, bless it, still has cat hair on it. Let's see. Okay, so literally not a lot in here. I was hoping to find some of my Christmas mugs too. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's so cute. Penguin. Wait, I think this is a Christmas mug. Just one though. Just one each. Okay, so we got one Christmas mug. I have a lot, obviously, because I have an insane mug problem. But anyway, I'm gonna pull my deer out of this one. And I did a really good job. I like taped these up last year around the edges so it wouldn't get filthy. And yeah, it was hard to get into. For my decor last year, which I'm not doing red, obviously. I don't think I'm going to use any of these. I think they're all red and green. I got scented pine cones. They actually still smell really strong. I could put the silver or the gold deer on there, but I don't really want to. I like the tree the way it is. There's a mug. Oh, it's the other one. Yay. It's like a little pear. I got these at Macy's years and years ago. So I'll wash those up. Alright, so this is not really everything I was looking for, but I know what's in them. I'll probably grab a few things out of here and then grab some different bins out of the garage. But right now I'm going to make some coffee. I'm going to use my Gouda-tama. So I didn't find caramel creme brulee, but the sea salt caramel is pretty good. So I'm going to put some of that. There we go. Alright, so I'm probably going to chill out for a little bit. I need to do some editing. I have an Instagram video that I'm going to put up today, so I need to edit that. That's priority. And then I have that sportswear video that was supposed to go up yesterday. Got a lot to do. And then obviously vlogging throughout the day, and we'll do advent calendars. I think I may get some boxes today. I don't know. We'll see. If I get any packages, I'll open those up with you guys. And that's about it. I am just going to chill out, edit, and I'll talk to you guys later when I'm doing something else. Hey guys, so it's advent calendar time. Let me tell you, I have been wasting my day. Honestly, I just did one of those things where I spaced out on the couch for a little while, but now we're gonna open first glossy box. So again, the packaging is so pretty on this. So we are on day 4. We're on the right day for vlogging. Excuse me, could you stay? Wonder what it is. What is this? This is Avant Hyaluronic Marasaqua Jojoba Oil Lectin Avocado. This is a Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream. Okay, very interesting. I don't really know anything about this brand, so I'll look into it. I don't know if I'll keep this one. Oh, look at that. Look at that horrible nail. I'm about to paint my nails in a little bit, but I don't know anything about this brand, but I'm going to put it to the side, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it for myself or put it in a giveaway. I'll look into it, though. It is kind of interesting, but I do have a lot of stuff. I'm just trying to be, again, more conscious of that, not wasting products. And I think in a little bit too, I'm going to declutter my eyeliners with you guys. And I got a package from Colourpop I am going to show you as well. And then the eyeliner declutter will make a little bit more sense. All right, let's do our Sugarfina. So cute. Day 4. Okay, so these are, oh, how cute. These are like little ice cream cones. They do feel kind of gummy-ish. All right, so these are ice cream cones, which are, yeah, just say ice cream cones. Let's see. Here's what it looks like. Okay, well, I spit that out. I'll let Zach try these. Oh, I do not like that. It was weird. It was like creamy, fruity. I don't know. It kind of reminded me of a Tums, those like fruit smoothie ones. No bueno. No, thank you. All right, so we got Look Fantastic. Let's get this open. Day 4 is a pretty big drawer. Oh, I saw the card. Oops. So we got a Luxie mini round brush. And then we got the mini tapered. I actually have a couple of each of these in different colors. So I'm not going to hold on to these because like 2 of each brush is really enough. So I think I'm going to put these in my upcoming giveaway. I'm just going to put that to the side. I've got a drawer going that is like ridiculously full of products. I like that I got Luxie brushes, so I'm not mad at that at all. But because I do have some really similar ones, I am not going to hold on to those. Oops. Let me grab my package. I placed a couple different orders with Colourpop. This one I got today. The little card says, "Thanks a latte." It's really cute. They always do cute cards. Now, let me say though, the reason I placed 2 orders is because this was sold out Thanksgiving night. And then it was just magically restocked the next day. I'm sorry. No, you were never sold out. You just made people feel, anyway. But this is the Cream Gel Liner Vault. I can't remember, I think it has 12 in here. Yeah, so this has 12 liners in all these amazing colors. So I love their liners. They're one of the few liners that actually stay in my waterline really well. So this is what's prompting me to go through my eyeliners because I know I have a lot of old ones. I am going to do a bunch of swatching, so it will be a little bit time consuming. But in a little bit, I'm going to go through my liners and just condense everything. So I have this, which I've used for various things, but my plan is to store liners in here. So I'll have places for, you know, pencil, liquid, and maybe lip liners. I think I'll do everything, but these will actually be perfect right in there. So I feel like that's the perfect little way to house those. I do have a couple Colourpop already, so I'll see which ones I have, if I have duplicates, if I want to put them to the side, or if I want to give them to someone, I don't know. But that takes care of that. And then I also got the Orange You Glad palette. I love their little like monotone palettes. And this one is so pretty. I didn't get Blue Moon. I thought about it because I ordered the Blue Blood palette, but this is the orange one. I mean, can you stand it? Different tones. This one's like a coral bright orange. You've got a little bit of brown in there, and you've got this, which is like a lighter tan, peachy kind of color, but it's a really beautiful palette. And this glitter is insane too. You can see it's like chunky, but really, really pretty. And they're so affordable and on sale. I think I got it for like $9, and this set was like $29 or something like that. But so many good products. So I've got those to set to the side. I'm gonna recycle my boxes, and then yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I'm probably just honestly gonna put both of these things aside for a giveaway. I'm just feeling more generous, and like, unless I'm really, really excited, I just don't wanna hold on to too much. So that's my advent calendars and my little package for now, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit, and we will declutter some eyeliners. All right guys, so this is honestly how I've been storing my liners, which is not that great a setup, but I basically got all my lip liners. I'm not going to go through this right now. I just went through them with my actual lip declutter, and this little one section is honestly just not enough to house all of them. This is kind of random. I kind of throw like liquid liners and also like liners. If I use them, I'll throw them in here so that I like know. But then we have this whole section, which is really what I want to go through. So let's see. All right, and then I do have here in the smaller section a lot of liquid liners, which I'll quickly go through those as well. I've got some mini Marc Jacobs ones. Oh, and there's a little dead bug in there. Yikes. All right, I've got a little Bath & Body Works bags I'm going to be throwing some stuff into. So first off, these Sephora ones I feel like are going to be pretty... Well, that little mustard showed up pretty well. I don't know if you guys can see that really good or not. That actually showed up really well. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, the white one is definitely dried out. Okay, so I guess I'll hold on to these little guys. They're different colors too, which I like. Like, they're not your typical colors. Okay, I'm gonna swatch a bunch and just speed through it because I know if I talk it's gonna take forever. Also, I have this little Tarte mini highlight in there for some strange reason. I don't know. We'll move that elsewhere. Alright, surprisingly, all these little minis actually did well. So I am going to create like a little travel size drawer. I think that's what I want to do so that I can easily grab things when I want something small. We've got a little bit like, this one's sort of mini, but like not that small. Ooh, see, that one really glided on well. The only thing about the Marc Jacobs ones, they were a little stiff. I thought I got rid of all these, but apparently I kept one. These are so old. The 24/7 pencils from Urban Decay. Wow, that's an oldie. Got the Revlon Color Stay Exactify. Yeah, I'm not into the wheel thing. I don't know. I think it's a little gimmicky of a packaging. Also, I think my hand is a little swollen. But anyway. All right, my NYX Vivid Brights, this one's got like dried product all around the inside. It's really hard to open. And then this one, honestly, I think the colors changed just a little bit, but the brush and the formula are a little weird. So I'm just gonna get rid of these two. Those might have gotten a little bit dried out at some point. Maybe I didn't close them all the way. I have the Sleek Dip It Liner. Oh, that's a big... So that one was a little hard to open. I hate when a liquid liner is hard to open. Also, this tip of it is really, really stiff. But I'm always like, okay, I'm gonna make a mess. And I've got my pretty blanket right here, so we're not trying to do that. The Deuce, a Fierce and Fine Graphic Line. I don't like this one. I've got the Makeup Revolution. This is the, what is it called? Renaissance Flick or something. Not really a big fan. Like, it did okay, don't get me wrong, but I'm getting pickier and pickier with liners. The L'Oreal Lash Paradise Liquid Liner. I think I really liked this one. Yeah, that's a really nice rich black. I'm gonna hold on to that one. Got the Ico Black Magic. This is the one where the tip of mine just came kind of like weird, but the formula, well, the formula's pretty nice. The Hank & Henry, this is the Slick With It. This is an amazing, amazing liner. Definitely keeping that. The Colourpop. Now, these are the liners that I got, and the white stays in my waterline so freaking well. This Sleek Rule On Eye Pencil. Ooh. It's not very pigmented at all. This vintage one, it kind of depends on what you like. It smudges, so if you want like a really smudgy liner, it's good. It's a smoky eye pencil. It's not meant to be really long lasting, I don't think, but I don't really care for it. This is a gel liner from Appeal, but I don't know if this is eye or lip. I think it's eye. Not really feeling that. It's like a chocolatey brown, but not very pigmented. Okay, I'm having to be so careful now because I've got so much liner on me. But I think my little mini urban ones are still good. All right, so this is what I kept. We've got that big section of liners. This is all full size. These are liquids and then minis right here. So a lot of room left. I feel like I've done a pretty good job of condensing these Clinique ones. I had a lot of them that were really dried out, so these probably won't make the next round, but I kept Intense Peacock and Intense Charcoal. I think that's it. So I kept those two colors, but literally every one of those was dried out. And some of these, if they didn't swatch really well, kind of need a good sharpening. Any of the sharpened pencils can be like that sometimes. That's prettier the more I look at it. When I first swatched the Lord & Berry one, I was like, oh, I don't really see what's going on there. But it actually looks really pretty. It's like a hunter green. It's that big swatch right there. So yeah, I am painted up. I'm about to go take this off, and that is it for Liner Declutter. This is what I'm actually going to get rid of. So a pretty good bit. All right guys, that is it for Vlogmas Day 4. I really need to go take a shower. I have been just working all day and just chilled out on my couch and was really lazy, and I definitely need to get all these off before I make a complete mess. I'll be really sad if I get my liners on my little cat person sweatshirt. By the way, I only wore this yesterday for like the time that I filmed, so I didn't wear it for very long, so I just threw it back on this morning. And you know, my nails turned out really cute. I'll let you guys pick my color again on Instagram. I really like it. I added a little bit of glitter there. And it's called Linda from Julep. I don't know if they still make it because I've had it for a while. I'm pretty psyched for my Liner Declutter. Now I've got to see if these like tallest pencils will actually fit. I think they will. Okay, so this is the little container I showed you guys earlier. So they all fit like this. The only thing is that they're in here, I can't really see them. Like the top one you can see pretty good if it's not too full. So I don't know how I'm gonna use this yet. If I'm gonna put all my liners in there or not. Even like the super tall pencils fit in there, so it's pretty nice. I like that it's tall and it doesn't take up a lot of like counter space. I think I'm gonna keep this all eyeliners though, just because I have so many lip pencils, and that way I can put my liquids down in the bottom. Alright, so I hope you guys are doing amazing. I am going to get my Vlogmas Day 4 up for you guys, hopefully a little earlier than these past several days, which I've been uploading really late. I'm sorry about that, but you know, trying to vlog and then get it up on the day of when you work, you know how it is. It's a little bit of a stretch, so that's why they're going up a little bit later, just in case you guys were curious. And I hope you're doing amazing. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 4, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new day of Vlogmas. Bye.